Hi there, and welcome back to the Oversight Global Transformation channel, where we are on a mission to address the consciousness crisis in the world one leader at a time. My name is Angelique Kapoor. I'm not only the founder of Oversight Global, but I'm also a conscious leadership coach and empowerment strategist who helps workplace managers, business leaders, and other aspiring leaders be confident and effective and amplify their impact by embarking on their unique leadership transformational journeys to unleash and embody their inner phenomenal leaders. So, today I am so excited to be sharing one of my own personal stories of growth and transformation with you today. You see, I've recently recognized that I've overcome so many fears and anxieties that were holding me back for years. And it all started with a big decision that changed my life forever, moving from Seattle, Washington, in the United States to Bali, Indonesia. Now, I know that you might be thinking, well, why Bali? Why leave everything behind and start fresh in a foreign country? Well, that's a story in itself. You see, my husband and I have been talking about moving to Bali for years, and we always came up with excuses of why we couldn't do it. We were comfortable in our routines, our jobs, our house, our community. We were scared of the unknown, of leaving everything we knew behind. But then something shifted. We realized that life is too short to be stuck in the same old patterns. We decided it was time to take a leap of faith and go for it. So within 6 weeks, we packed up all of our things, sold everything, rented out our house, and moved to Bali. Now, let me tell you, it wasn't easy. I had some major fears and reservations. I experienced many times when I thought, I can't do this. I made a mistake. We should go back. But guess what? I toughed through each of those situations and stayed true to my decision. And you know what happened? Well, I started to grow in ways I never thought possible. Now, fast forward to today, more than a year later, and I don't even recognize the girl who first set foot here. I've grown in so many ways and in leaps and bounds. Living in Bali has allowed me to become a version of myself that's attracting opportunity and success in so many ways. Now, before we move on, it's time for a quick check-in. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to like, comment, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more videos like this one. Now, you see, by getting out of my comfort zone and taking a risk, I've been able to overcome fears that have been holding me back for years, like I mentioned before. I've discovered a new side of myself, one that's passionate and determined, empowered, and fearless. I've been able to pursue my personal and business dreams and goals and connect with people from all over the world. And you know what? It's all because I decided to take that first step, to trust myself, to have faith, and to embrace the unknown. So, what's the moral of the story here? Why am I sharing this? Well, it's simple. Life is too short to stay stuck in excuses and fears. If you want to live your best life and discover your best version of yourself, you need to be willing to step outside your comfort zone. And that might even be way outside of your comfort zone, like I did. You need to be willing to take risks, face your fears head on, trust yourself, and have faith. You are meant to be, you are meant to lead, and you are meant for so much more. If you're feeling stuck, if you're afraid of the unknown, if you're wondering if there's more to life than what you're currently experiencing, I'm here to tell you that there is. You have the power within you to create the life you truly want and truly love, but it all starts with a decision, a leap of faith, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Trust me, it's worth it. So that's my story. I hope that it has inspired and empowered you to take action, to step outside your comfort zone in some small way and be the person you are truly meant to be and live the life you are truly meant to live. So that's it for today's video. If you'd like to learn more about how to access the power within you to create the life you truly want, be sure to check out my brand new group coaching program, Meant to Lead. It's time to become the authentic, empowering the you that you have always been meant to be, and live a life that you truly love. Just click the link in the description below to learn more. And with that, thanks so much for watching. Remember, life is both too long and too short. So be sure to be who you are meant to be, lead as you are meant to lead, and experience more that you are meant to experience. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.